Our story begins in the vast pineapple fields, where thousands of plants grow under the tropical sun. Every fruit starts its journey right here. Before harvesting, experts check the ripeness. The color, weight, and fragrance help determine if the pineapple is ready.
This one is perfectly ripe.
Good eye. We'll mark it for harvest tomorrow.
The leaves look good up here, yeah?
But we need to check the base. I see some discoloration starting on this one. See this section here? The yield is lower than projected for this quadrant. Yes, I noticed that on the report yesterday. Maybe it's the soil quality?
This one is perfectly ripe. See how the base is yellow?
Okay, I see it. I'll twist it off.
Once approved, the harvesting starts. Workers use a twist hand pull method to remove each fruit carefully.
Look at this one. It's absolutely perfect. Woo! The color on it is incredible in this light. Here, carefully place this one in the basket. Thanks, it is heavy. My basket is almost full.
Freshly harvested pineapples are loaded into crates and transported immediately to the factory to preserve their natural sweetness.
Pull it tight.
It's secure up here.
Okay, got the bottom strap through.
Lift it up. Easy now, clear back. Watch the crates on your left.
As the trucks arrive, the pineapples are unloaded and prepared for the first stage of inspection.
Next crate ready.
Set it down here. Faster.
This stack is complete.
Before entering the washing line, the pineapples are sorted by size and appearance. Only the perfectly ripe ones move forward for processing. To ensure hygiene, the pineapples move through a powerful washing line. Jets of clean water and rotating brushes remove dirt, dust, and farm residue. In the next section, advanced machines peel and slice the pineapples with incredible precision. The process is fast, clean, and fully automated. After cutting, each piece passes through weight sensors and optical scanners. Only uniform and perfect slices move ahead to packaging. The final step is packaging. The slices are sealed in airtight containers, labeled, boxed, and prepared for shipment to markets around the world.
All right, bring it up now.
Coming up.
Hold it right there. Now easy back.
Copy that.